Hello guys, on 2nd of this month I invested 50,000 naira, and if I show you what I'm having presently, you won't believe, you'll be amazed. And I just discovered this recently. I just discovered it and I just put 50,000 naira, and what I'm having presently, I'm going to show you. All right, I'm going to show you everything, and I'm going to share with you how you can make this instant money yourself. It's not an investment platform. You are going to be using Bybit, and you trust Bybit yourself, and you know you're sure. All right, if you don't trust Bybit, then you don't know what Bybit is all about. Bybit is just like Binance or Trust Wallet that we are using. What I did is actually I bought some coins. Okay, I bought 5 coins when I have 50,000 naira. I bought different coins, 50,000 naira. I bought one 10,000. I bought the second one 10,000. I bought third one 10,000. 5 different coins, and as I'm speaking to you presently, the coins have escalated, and I'm having not less than $300. And if I convert $300, that is around 700,000 naira with just 50,000 naira. All right, so before I go further and show you or share with you this update, I'm going to take you to my screen right now and show you this money that is keep coming. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, let's head over to the screen. All right guys, this morning you discover that I was having $320. Now it's changed to 319. If you observe, just let me keep refreshing. In a second, you discover that the value here will just keep changing. The reason why it keeps changing, as the dollar is rising, going coming down, as the coins is going coming down, that's why the effect is showing up here. These are different coins here. Okay, these are different coins. So let me refresh it. Just look, $319.73. If I refresh it now, you're going to discover I said that it rise up. You see it, it now come down to 60. Don't mind, because that is how it will just keep ping ping ping, like what is it called, like time. Okay, you see it now, it have changed to 74. So this is how it will just keep about. These are the coins reacting. You can see it every second, the coins keep reacting. Now this is how it will react. Before you know, it will enter 320, it will enter 340, to enter, before you know, I will head over to $400 again. And what I just invest is just 50,000 naira. Now if you know how to check USD or dollar, you can check this amount. Now this particular amount, just multiply 1,650 naira, that is $1 is 1,650 naira, multiply by $319. You know the gain that I've gotten through these coins. So what I'm going to do in this video, or in our next video, because I want to really sit down, what to do now in our next video, I'm going to buy coins of 1 million. Okay, that's same coins, I'm going to buy them. I'll buy one $200, the second one $200, sorry, 200,000 into 1 million. That is those 5 coins. They are going to be, I'm going to buy 200 each, and I'm going to share you with you my screen then when I'm buying them, so you too can run into this, tap into this particular what is it called, particular coins, and start making good money for yourself. Yeah, it's just a coins that we are buying, and when you buy the coins, you don't even need to do anything, just wait for it, and you see that everything will just keep changing all the time. Hope you understand. So that is how this particular one work. This value you are seeing here, they are all coins different from, they are all coins in 5 places. Okay, tomorrow I'll try my best, well, because I'll drop 1 million, which I'm going to be using to invest on this same 5 coins. Okay, just like I said, I'm going to put 200 on each, and when I'm going to do that, I'm going to record the screen, show you the coins as I'm buying them, and once I've done live, I'll show you guys. Then anyone that has money, even as little as you have, as from 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira, just use and buy any of the coins, leave it there, and you will be just checking your money, and before you know, voila, you are there. You can see it. So that is how it works. So I'm going to record the video for you tomorrow. I cannot just like share with you the updates right now. What I'm going to do now, I just give you the information. What you have to do now is to gather your money. If you have like 10,000 or 200,000 or just use it to invest. Okay, and the invest is, let me say, 75% free. That is, your lost is, you don't have to think like you might lost, because this one, it has never goes down. Do you know why? Now let's check the price of Dogecoins, because Dogecoin is one of the coins I'm buying. Now let's check the price. When Dogecoin came out, they used to sell it 0.0000 for something dollar. Now presently Dogecoin have even climbed to like $4, I guess, right? Yeah. So for is around $4. That is, those coins can never come down. They'll just keep going up. So, and as they keep going up, you that bought them, they will be fighting over USD, and they are going up. Your money is increasing. So stay up for this update that I'll be dropping tomorrow. All right, guys. See, some minutes later, it was 319 before, but now we have entered 321. This high just keep going up every time.